Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I clean and reorganize my mini pantry. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. I will go ahead to unbox all my storage utensils that I bought from AliExpress and Temu. All these things I bought them from them. If you are able to buy them from Amazon, there's no problem. So I got this pen and this erasable sticker. Just go ahead to show you what I did. You can erase it with your hand and you can also use a down cloth to erase it as well. And this sticker can be reused. So I just went ahead to unbox all the storage can, and it came with a spoon, wooden spoon as well. I like this storage because they are so beautiful. So can go ahead to order yours from AliExpress or Temu, as I said before. And if this is your first time of coming across this video, please go ahead to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. So these are all the container I got. I also got some from physical store in my city. I mean in my country, Italy. I got the last ones at the back from a Chinese store. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to go ahead to clean up these airtight storage containers. Are you the type that wash or clean your storage can when you buy them, or you are the type that go ahead to store all your food or your spices into your can like that? Please let me know under the comment section. Thank you. And if you have watched up to this moment, I say thank you. Please, if you know you haven't subscribed, go ahead to subscribe. Go ahead to click the notification bell so that you will be the first person to receive any notification whenever I upload a new video. Please go ahead to subscribe. It doesn't take anything to subscribe. Thank you so much. Now, after washing everything, I'll go ahead to store this into a clean bowl in order for all of them to drain the water. Moving over to the small pantry which I have, this is how it is. Everything is just messed up, scattered, bottles here and there, different bottles, different container and all that. So I said let me just go ahead to start removing the bottles, and then I'll also store them in a wider bowl so that I will not mix things up. After doing that, I will go ahead to remove the newspaper that I placed on the surface of the cupboard. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and also share. Also, if this is the type of video you want me to be uploading, please let me know in the comment section. Now it's time to clean the cupboard. I will go ahead to clean this up with the soap I have at home. If you have any liquid for cleaning wood, you can use that as well. So keep watching. Thank you. I have to use sponge and soap in this place because the cupboard was so dirty. After washing it with soap, I'll go ahead now to clean it up with this yellow damp cloth. Here I went ahead to clean the doors of the mini pantry. Now that I'm done cleaning everything, I'll go ahead to use a dry cloth to just pass it round so that there will not be any soap or any liquid on the cupboard. This is the time for me to go ahead now to place my non-stick plastic on the surface of the pantry. I also got this from AliExpress or Temu. You can also get this from Amazon as well. Note, I'm not doing any publicity for all of this, but I'm just telling you where I got them from. I fell in love with the mini pantry after I have finished cleaning this up. So the next thing now is to arrange all my things inside. I will go ahead to put the pasta into the pantry, and then I will also go ahead to arrange other things. I just went ahead to put the pasta like that because I don't have a bigger pantry. That was why I leave all the pasta like that. So this is the first uh, rank which have arranged. This is the second rank I'm arranging as well. I went ahead to place all my liquid such as soy sauce, and then this is what we have, guys. Look at it. Sorry I didn't show when I was filling up all this container. I did this off camera, guys. This is what we have. Can you imagine? You can see for yourself the before and the after. It is good to always keep your pantry, whether it is a big one, whether it is a mini pantry you have, clean, organized, so that it will not be difficult for you to get things done, especially when cooking. It will make cooking easy for you. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in my next one. Bye.